Right now, somewhere, someone with $50,000 invested is going broke in 5 years, and someone with $0 invested is about to become wealthy. If that sounds backwards, good, because it is. While you've been waiting to have enough money to start investing, the people actually building wealth right now aren't doing what you think. Some of them haven't invested a single dollar yet, and they're still ahead of you. Here's the uncomfortable part. If your income is low, investing is the wrong first move. Let's do quick math. Imagine you have $2,000 saved and invest every dollar at a solid 10% annual return. After 1 year, you've made $200. That's it. $200. Now imagine instead you spent that same year doing something different, negotiating a raise, learning a higher income skill, picking up a side project that scales, and your income increases by just $500 per month. That's $6,000 in 1 year, 30 times more than your investment return. This is the part nobody tells beginners. In the early stage of your financial life, your most powerful asset isn't your portfolio, it's your earning ability. Think of it like this. Investing is a multiplier, but a multiplier only works on what you're putting in. If you multiply $5,000 by 10%, you get $500. The multiplier didn't change. What changed was the number going in. Step 1. Audit your income ceiling. If you've been in the same role for 2 years, with no raise conversation, you're actively losing money to inflation every single year you stay silent. Workers who switch jobs increase their salary 10 to 20% on average. This single afternoon of research is worth more than most people's entire investment portfolio in year 1. Step 2. Build one skill that compounds. Unlike a stock, a skill never crashes. It compounds quietly in the background of your career. Pick one skill, not 5. 1. Spend 30 minutes a day on it. $0. Pure compound growth. Step 3. Create one additional income stream, even a small one. The first $100 you make outside your main job proves to your brain that income isn't fixed. That changes everything about how you make financial decisions going forward. Step 4. Once your income increases, invest the gap immediately, before your lifestyle catches up. This is the moment most people fail. They finally get the raise. And instead of investing the difference, they upgrade their apartment, their car, their everyday spending. Their income goes up, but their wealth stays exactly the same. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. Your brain adjusts to new income almost instantly. So here's the rule. The moment your income increases, automatically route at least half of that increase directly into investing. If you get a $400 per month raise, $200 of it goes straight into an index fund before you ever touch it. Let's put this all together with a real example. Imagine someone starts with $0 invested. They spend 6 months focused entirely on income. They negotiate one raise. They pick up one freelance skill. Their income increases by $800 per month. They lock in half of that increase automatically, $400 per month into an index fund. After 2 years, that's not just $9,600 invested, because their income kept growing as they kept building skills. By year 2, they're investing $600 to $700 per month. Compare that to someone who invested $2,000 up front and never touched their income. The income-first person will have more invested, growing faster within 18 to 24 months. So here's the truth nobody puts in a clickbait thumbnail. The best investment strategy when you have $0 isn't a stock. It isn't a crypto coin. It's you. Increase your income. Build as you. Increase your income. Build a skill that compounds. Test an income stream and invest the gap before your lifestyle eats it. Do this, and by the time you actually start investing seriously, you won't be investing scraps. You'll be investing real momentum, because wealth was never just about the market. It was about what you bring to the market in the first place. If this changed how you think about investing, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments, are you currently in the income building stage, or are you ready to start investing the gap? Because that answer determines exactly what your next 12 months should look like.